So it's been a while, huh? Hello everyone, welcome back to another devlog. I don't really know what this devlog is going to be about because I am the most disorganized human being known to man. I've been having a lot of work that I've had to do. It's been absolutely insane and I haven't been able to really fit in YouTube very easily. Not sure if I'm going to be able to stick to a weekly schedule as of yet. Things are just going super fast. Oh my god, it's so much. And I can't. So, I'm getting a little bit overworked, and that's kind of why I took a break for a couple of weeks. I've still been working quite a lot, but yeah, I just haven't been able to do YouTube very easily. Just going to quickly run down the idea of the game before we get into this. The idea of the game is it's a mobile game, and you're a frog, and you have to drag to flick your frog across the pond, I guess, the lake, whatever you want to call it, and then there'll be little lily pads that you have to hop onto to get a point, and they'll be randomly placed, and then you just keep going and going for as long as you can, and hopefully it should be quite addicting.
I mean, this thing has been gathering dust, so why don't we use it?
Actually, never mind.
Oh yeah. Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick.
As with any project, I really like to start off with a Trello board, so that's what I've done. The first task I've chosen to do is the initial frog visuals. Usually I focus on visuals after I've done the programming, but this time I want to mix things up and try and actually focus on them.
Hello. Good boy.
It's time-lapse time. Roll it! Okay, so finally got the base colors in for the first frog, and the next thing I'm going to do is actually implement him into the game and make this back leg stop looking so thick. Okay, so it's been a while, but now we have all of the animations we need. So we've got the idle animation, the jump animation, and bear in mind it will end like here. The jump mid-air, which is also just the same, it's just a continuation. And then the land animation, which literally it's quite fast, but it should be quite fast. And then it gets to the original position of the idle. So now all I got to do is actually work on the gameplay. But I'm really happy that I started off with the artwork because it was quite motivational actually. It was a lot different to what I'm used to, so it was a nice change of scenery. So now let's get into the part that I'm actually good at, because this frog is looking a bit too ugly. So yeah, now let's get into the programming and hopefully we can get the main gameplay focus done by the end of today. Now that I've got the frog actually moving, I am going to work on some cool little graphics for the flooring, maybe work with some shaders. Oh god, please help me. And yeah, hopefully it'll look really cool in the end. Okay, so I finally got the 2D shader working. As you can see, it's a little bit weird because I had to combine 3D with it, but that was just to get the wave effect, and I actually kind of like it. I'm going to tweak with the settings a little bit, make it look perfect, then we'll go from there and actually get the gameplay down. Now I'm going to test Blackthorn Prod's Dashing Fire because he asked me to, and then I'm going to edit this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's a bit shorter than usual, but I do like this sort of size. It makes it a lot easier for me to manage in my current time that I have. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. There will be another video out next week sometime, hopefully about the Ultimate Game Jam, which is a game jam hosted by me and FrUHHgger. And there will also be a game dev essay in a couple of weeks as well. Please do stay safe, whilst all this stuff is going on. I'm not sure if I can even say it on YouTube, which is stupid because it's so censored. But yeah, make sure you do stay safe with it. Don't get hurt or anything by it. Don't just take the precautions that you need to take. I really do hope that you all stay safe. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye guys!